Welcome student in the next another session of Animal Kingdom Part 3. In this we are going to discuss about Ctenophora, which is also known as comb jellies or sea walnuts. The grade of organization is tissue, symmetry is radial, germinal layer they are diploblastic, that means they have two germinal layers. Coelom, they are acoelomated nature, they don't have any coelom body cavity. Habit and habitat, they are exclusively marine, they are solitary and pelagic. Digestive system, incomplete digestive system because they only have a single opening, that is mouth. Intracellular and extracellular digestion takes place. The respiratory system is also absent, circulatory system is absent. Reproduction, only sexual type of reproduction takes place. Organism is hermaphrodite and the type of fertilization is external. Development is indirect. The unique feature, they have 8 vertical external rows of ciliated comb plates. Let me show you. Yes, here you can see a comb plate, or better I'll go back. Here you can see the inflorescence, some ciliated comb plate you will find. So this is the unique feature of Ctenophora. Tentacles are also present. There are 2 tentacles. Here you can see it here. They have the ability to emit light from the body, and this phenomena is known as bioluminescence. In all my pictures, you must have seen that organism is emitting. They're so colorful, bright light they are emitting, and that process, this phenomena, is known as bioluminescence, which is a peculiar characteristic of Ctenophora. Examples are Ctenopala or Pleurobrachia. Here also you can see the tentacles. There are 2 tentacles, right? And comb plates. These are the comb plates, fluorescent comb plates, and the process is because of the bioluminescence. Organism shows tissue level of organization, symmetry is radial. They are diploblastic in nature, acoelomate, exclusively marine, solitary and pelagic. The digestive system is incomplete. Intracellular and extracellular digestion takes place. Respiration is absent. Circulatory system is also absent. Reproduction only sexual, hermaphrodite. External fertilization, development is indirect. Unique feature, locomotion is by 8 vertical external rows of ciliated combs, and tentacles are also present. They show the bioluminescence. Example is Ctenophylla or Pleurobrachia. Now moving ahead with the other phylum, which is Platyhelminthes. From here we will discuss about the worms. These are flat worms. The grade of organization is organ and organ system. These organisms are bilateral. From here, all the phylums, organisms, they show bilateral symmetry. Organisms have 3 layers, 3 germinal layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. It is endoderm. And it is triploblastic. Coelom is acoelomate, no coelom is present. Habit and habitat, mainly they are aquatic. Endoparasites, some are free living as well. Digestive system is incomplete because they have 1 opening only, mouth and anus. Only a single opening which acts as a mouth and anus is present there. Respiratory system is absent. Circulatory system is also absent. Reproduction by asexual, that is fragmentation, and sexual as well. Organism is hermaphrodite and type of fertilization is internal. Development is indirect because they show many larval stages. Unique feature, they are unsegmented, dorso-ventrally flattened body except tapeworm. Tapeworm shows segments on their body. The other type of unique feature is excretion by flame cells, and those that is known as protonephridia. They have the specific characteristic that help them to perform the excretion. So excretory organ, a unique excretory cells are present, and those cells are the flame cells. Apart from it, they have hooks and suckers as in a parasitic worm. Hooks help them to attach with the host cell, whereas suckers help them to suck the blood or to suck nutrition from host cell. Some absorb nutrients from the host through their body surface as well. Examples are Taenia solium, which is a pork tip worm, Fasciola, which is a liver fluke, Planaria. Platyhelminthes at a glance. Organisms, it shows organ and organ system of classification. Symmetry is bilateral, triploblastic in nature, acoelomate. They are mainly aquatic endoparasites. Endoparasites, the meaning of endoparasites, they live inside the host body. But some are free living as well. The digestive system is incomplete, respiratory system is absent, circulatory system is absent. Reproduction, that is asexual, which is fragmentation, and sexual as well. Organism is hermaphrodite. Internal fertilization takes place. Development is indirect because they show the many larval stages. Unique feature, they are unsegmented. These all are the worms, but unsegmented. Dorso, that is backside, ventrally flattened body, except the tapeworm, which shows the segmentation. Excretion by the flame cell, which are also known as protonephridia. Parasites have hooks and suckers. Hooks so that they can attach. It's like a hook to attach with the host cell, and suckers to absorb from nutrients from the host cell. Some absorb nutrients from the host through their body surface as well. Examples are Taenia solium, Fasciola, and Planaria. Here are the examples, pictures which shows the flame cells. Thanks for watching.